This is BM800 without the sound card, and this is direct to the phone. Everybody here is watching you, cause you feel like home. This is BM800 with pop filter, windscreen removed, still no sound card. Everybody here is watching you, cause you feel like home. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So today I have received another delivery from Shopee, and it's my most awaited BM800 microphone and the sound card. So I really love how it was packed. So it was shipped through JNT Express, and now they have a lot of bubble wraps outside the box itself, and they also have labels such as fragile on it. So it's actually different from the previous packages that I received. Let's go ahead and open it now. I have scissors. Okay. Dili magkayag kamoton lang, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna be sharing the shop name later on, and this is actually the cheapest set there is in Shopee. I'm not really sure why it's the cheapest, but I saw that it has good reviews. That's why I decided to purchase it. I actually have been thinking of buying this for months already. However, I was really hesitant because it may be the most common mic in the market. However, I've heard of negative feedback about it, so I was scared to purchase it because you know that anything above 1,000 for me is already very pricey. So muna siya, guys. So what's inside? So we have the singing live sound card. Applies to singing, shouting, live chat, recording voice and music. So this is the box. It's somehow opened already. Oh, so they really sent me the V8, because I think the seller told me that she'll be sending an L8, but I'm really happy I received this, and the texts are in English. The labels are in English, so we'll be trying this out as well. So basing on how it was packed, I can say that the seller is really good when it comes to preparing their products. So this is how it looks like inside. It comes along with the USB cord and the charging cord, I believe. And there are 3 different cords inside. There you go. This is the sound card. So with this, you can actually adjust the volume, the echo, the treble, the bass, and I think there's also reverb, but I don't see it in this controller. Anyway, we'll try this out. The important thing is it has echo. That's important when you're singing. It also comes along with the manual. Alright, so you can actually connect it to your PC, your phone. The second box, I think that it's the only remaining box. Let's go ahead and cut this remaining bubble wrap here. Okay, so the box doesn't really look good anymore, of course, because it was shipped. Anyway, let's just hope that inside it's all good. Okay, so this is how the box looks like. This is the professional condenser microphone, unidirectional condenser microphone, excellent reproduction of voice and music professional. BM800. I can't believe I have this already, guys. I was really hesitant to buy this. So what's in the box? You will, hopefully, it's complete. The microphone, the windscreen, shock mount, and the power cord. I think it's a power cord. Oh. They included a pop filter. This is a huge one. Nice! They also gave me free masks. I think there are 3. I did not know that they were giving away free surgical masks, but thank you so much for this. Merry Christmas! And so the manual is somehow torn already. But good thing they have, I think this is Chinese and this is English. Ah, dako lagi siya, no? So, I was expecting na gamay-gamay rin siya, but this is the wind screen. And then, it also has this butanganan sa mic. Although this has a few scratches here at the side, but it still works. And then, we also have this. Gi-staple siya. So, I have yet to install this, of course, because karon pa man siya niabot. I'll be using this for song covers, live streams. Okay. And here's the power cord. I hope wala ni defects, but please make sure to inform the seller to check for defects or damages before shipping it out to you. This is one way to ensure that the products that they'll be sending is all safe and walay damage. If naaman, gamay ra kayo. And this is the tawag ani oy tubo ba kanang bitayanan guys mic. I really don't know what the name of this is, but mo na siya ang, I think it's a mic stand or something like that. And this, so it's made of plastic. Okay. So far kani walay damage. And then there's an elastic part here. Then this one is plastic. And then the mic. Hi, salamat. Because I've viewed videos about this na ang uban nga lumping taon ilahang mga mic, but thank God it's not damaged, right? So I think it also went through quality check because of this sticker. So, boni yung lubot. And I'm really excited to install this already. So, wala pa ko kabutangan because the workstation is there in my table. But perhaps I can take a video later on when I install it so that it will be easier for you guys. So, I have to study it first. This is my day 2 of trying out the BM800 and the V8 Soundcard. So, pasensya sa akong kwarto kay medyo gubot and you know na kwarto sa mga pobre. So that's of course my laptop. And then so this is the V8 sound card. So you need to press this for 3 seconds, turn it on. Alright, so the power button's on now. This is where you adjust the volume of the mic and your echo. Going back, this is the treble, the bass, your record volume, music, and monitor. These are effects here at the bottom part. Electro, pitch bend, elimination, shockwave or shockwave, I'm not really sure. MC and dodge, cheer, embarrass, gone. I think I can give a sample later on here. My god, I have a lot of videos going on. So I have yet to test this on a live stream, but I'm recording this now. This is my setup. So here, I hope it's clear. This is live 1, live 2, so you can actually use 2 connections, like one phone and another phone, or phone and laptop, and then accompaniment. So you can connect an instrument while you're going live. If you don't have an instrument, you can connect it to your laptop. Charging. So this doesn't really necessarily have to be nakasaksak sa outlet when you're using it. You can make sure it's fully charged, or you can also use it while it's charging. So there are 3 white cords that will be going along with your V8 sound card. So magamit na yun siya. And then the next one is earphone, speaker, or headset. So you can actually use any of these for your earphone or your speakers. And then condenser mic. This is the condenser mic. This is connected here, right? So there's going to be a pop filter and a windscreen. This is also along with the BM800 that I bought. And then this is the mic. It was larger than I thought. I really thought it was smaller. And then there's a shock mount and that long handlebar, I believe, and then the one that connects it to the table. So I'm gonna be testing this out. I already tested it out with WeSing, but I have not tested it out by recording. Let me try this out now. But I believe if you record it on your laptop, you need to also attach an MP3, so that will be a pretty complicated way. But anyway, I have yet to test this in a live stream, so I think that will go last. Okay, so let me turn this off right now. So one thing that I noticed with this BM800 plus V8 is that they're static. So I guess it's really true that you really need to purchase the phantom power so that it would reduce the hissing and also it boosts the volume of your mic. I'll be on someone I used to know. It worked this time. So what I noticed is it works if so live one, you connect live one, also connect your phone as the accompaniment, and you need to also insert under charging. So the laptop is connected to the V8 through the charging port, and then the headset that I'm using right now is just this earphone, and the condenser mic is connected as well. So it somehow worked the second time, because the first time I did not really hear the music, I only heard my voice. But somehow I also noticed that there was something wrong with the settings in the laptop. So you also need to configure. Let me show you. So a while ago I was using the microphone array, the built-in microphone. So I'm gonna be showing you as to how I changed it. So let's minimize the video. I went to control panel. So I opened sound control panel. Just make sure the V8 and the mic, yeah, they're already both on. And then you scroll down, speakers, V8, default device, you go to recording here. Recording, so as you can see, I'm using a lot of mics. Mic in at front panel, microphone array, and also the V8 is bottom part. So you click on that. You can set it as default as well, or just go to properties and go to listen, check it, make sure it's checked. Levels, they say it's best to have it around 30 to 50 so that you won't hear a lot of hissing, right? So that's already where it is. And advanced, I changed it to DVD quality, and then apply. So it's already applied, I don't have to reapply it. So that's what I changed a while ago. And then after I did that, I already heard myself. I already heard the effects on the laptop. And by the way, I will share the seller because this is the cheapest available in the market. And I've seen some feedback that it would really work best with phantom power and voice meter. However, I don't have extra money for that yet, so I'll settle for this first. Mira 0523. So if you go looking for this, it costs only 1,700, and mind you, it's already complete. And make sure you message her as well ahead. Once you purchase the microphone, make sure to ask the seller to please check for damages before shipping it, and make sure to let her know that you'll be vlogging it as well, so that they will be very extra careful about what products they sent out, because I've heard that they also sent out L8 sound cards. So I told her, please don't send me the L8, send me the V8, and then that's why I received the V8 sound card instead of the usual L8 that they sent out to customers. I hope I was able to help you once again, and please do leave a like, and if you have any questions about me and my vlog today, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button until it turns gray, and tap on the notification bell as well, ding ding ding, so that you will be updated of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, lovies. I hope you learned something new today. Iapas na nako ang live stream about this V8 and BM800, okay? So, see you guys! Enjoy your day! Happy recording!